Well, it's dreary. It's sprinkling rain, and the chances of it raining on and off today are pretty good. So even though I have a long list of have to do's, I'm going to do what I want to do, and that is work on the Buick. So, what I got here, I got that dash kind of slid in place. It's close. I got it on stands, and I'm just starting to figure everything out. I did pull the wire harness through, and that's a good start. And I'm going to start looking underneath and seeing what else got to be hooked up right now. I got my vacuum hoses there, but I got lots of stuff to hook up, so I'm just going to at least get started here and see how much I can get done. I found the Speedo cable right where I put it. Oh, I don't know, 15 years ago probably. Anyway, I'm going to clean it up a little bit, get all the goo off of it, and make sure it's well lubricated inside. And then there'll be something else I can stick through the firewall. I got the Speedo cable all cleaned up, got all the crud off of it, cleaned it out good with brake clean there. I started digging around my cabinet because I thought I had some speedometer head oil. And look, I do. It's almost full. I also scored. I got some hydraulic shock absorber fluid, 2 cans. They're full. They've been back in that cabinet a long time because I didn't even remember I had that. So you never know what you're going to find when you start digging around your cabinets in your garage. What did I get done today? Speedo cable, got that run through. Wiring harness is run through. That has to be cleaned up and retaped yet. I got my ignition coil and my carburetor wires pulled through. I have my vacuum hose pulled through. My heater cable pulled through. My temp gauge pulled through. 1 vacuum line, and I got the wires for the ballast resistor there. And I got quite a bit under the dash hooked up. All my cables are hooked up loosely. I haven't adjusted anything yet. I'm just kind of getting a good fit of everything. That's all my wire, fuse panel wiring harness. So I've made some progress today. So we're gaining on it. It's kind of a pain in the butt getting everything. I think once I get everything kind of in place and hooked up, I'm going to go ahead and get the dash closer and ready to bolt up. And then I can adjust everything and how it fits. And now I got to cover it all up again until next time. At least I got something done.